help them, Nick?
I got it. Where's mine? Mama, where's mine?
It's for both of you.
What does it say? Anna and Cody, I hope you like this book. I love and
Switch to unlock position.
Okay, no. Okay, oh, turn the page. Cody, move back so I can see you.
Here's her name. And a gift for Anna and Cody.
Turn it.
It's for you.
Listen carefully.
Out on the lawn, there arose such a clatter.
Who is that?
From my bench,
Santa.
No, who's talking?
way to the window and flew like a
Grandma.
flash to open the shutter.
Grammy.
The moons on the breast of the dew-fallen snow gave the luster of midday to objects below. When what to my wondering eyes should appear, but a miniature sleigh and a tiny reindeer.
It's Grammy. She can read to you every night. Don't touch those buttons.
It must be safe.
Yeah, no, you don't want to do that.
I get
Okay, let's turn to the last page.
He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Grammy loves you, Cody and Anna. So does Katie."
What do you say to Grammy?
Thank you. Plus Katie.
What do you say? Love you.
Love you, Katie and Grammy.
To open the shutters